Vlci se vracejí tam, kde byli. Jako jo. My jsme až jakoby po nich.
My prostě si musíme připustit, že ten vrchový predátor v přírodě je člověk a ne vlk.
Vlci ztratili svoji plachost, chovají se nepřirozeně. I hospodářské zvíře má svoji duši a není to kupa peněz. Divočinu na Bromovsku nechceme, chceme tady žít.
Mám pocit, že za chvíľu odletím aj s tou búdou. Neviem, ako zaspím v tomto vetre. Snívalo sa mi, že som fosília nejakej rastliny, ktorá existovala pred miliónmi rokov a teraz čaká zamrznutá v ľade na nový život. Tučniaci, túlenie, ľadovce v rôznom osvetlení. Keďže oni nemôžu vyslať vlastné správy, mám pocit, že ako hmota s vedomím mám voči nim túto povinnosť. Nepamätám si, že by som niekedy cítila taký pokoj. Na tomto mieste stačí proste len byť nažive.
Hi everybody. Zizek's Antigone made me think. When I started to work on film, the idea was to work on the parallels between Antigone and today's public figures. It expanded radically. The most difficult task was the choice of images that we are all familiar with, but we associate them in different ways. In the end, the film for me is not so much about Antigone, but more about the questions of our future. Enjoy, if you can.
Może Stalin potrafił zawracać rzeki, ale wiatru zatrzymać się nie da.
Antigone is not the story of the disintegration, decadence.
Drugega nisem hotela kot spoštovanje bogov in njihovih večnih zakonov.
Seveda, oblastniki si lahko privoščijo slediti časti in strogim načelom, a ne? Če mora ljudstvo plačati za to.
Today's Antigone, I know this sounds horrible, would have been the new anti-immigrant populists, fundamentalists, and so on and so on.
Leur détresse ne date pas d'hier.
Es nutzt allen Europäern, wenn wir jenen helfen, die von Flucht und Migration besonders betroffen sind.
My message is that we'll be watching you.
Oui, je veux remettre la France en ordre. Je veux que les Français puissent vivre libres dans une France indépendante.
So I'm not saying I'm playing postmodern games with Antigone. The historical experience changes, so what do we do? Retell an old myth in a different way.
Brezvladje je najhujše vsega zla. Države ruši, prazni nam domove, a kjer cvete država, prvi temelj blaginje je pokorščina.
Qu'est-ce que vous voulez? Je peux vous répondre. Je veux faire une chose, c'est la révolution.
The film you're about to see, Corporate Accountability, I shot it with this same kind of cinematography, this same kind of lighting, but not because of the beauty of the image, but because, as you will find in the film, the workers were kidnapped. They were abducted from the factories very early in the morning when they arrived. So I wanted to be there with the camera at this same moment of the day, in a way of connecting the present of the image with the past of what my voiceover is narrating in the film.
강제 조용한 비숨스님이 너도 너전이 너너 마토리 샤르반이나 요로미지 올리시죠 미노미 담이 라이사블미 마네지는 너 링크업이 숨지지 않아 삼자 우리니 원하시지 하이아이 타나보다 아이 타나보시 설 마일라마 하이라 텔라도 사진 하이 텔라도 설마 강복관이 마중한디 하이 마사니 마일라솔렘 마일라솔 좀
그래서 히발자네 자도 주는 자네요.
갑자기 미 나와든지 닥터 로고 있기 간다싱이 있기 코니티 간다시 레아지
나는 그러면 어제 맞아 스스로 하나 잡자 구피 운동 랑기 운동
Namaste.
Namaste.
Namaste. Storata di, mati alunga. Lai tang jani ni, perga. Tanu si jago orang kaji terdonga siram desi.
Tapi Jordi na mana becita apa mata paisa di na masak di na.
से पिले बसेछ कि छैन नि चढ्दै छ भनेदेखि त यिनीहरू बिचोकै भयो
Town of Paradise permit to build my home at 1552 Forest Service Road. I'm Jazz. Awesome, man. Awesome. This is it. Yeah.
Do that, buddy.
We're on now. This is the beginning.
Excited.
Yeah. He finally caught up with me. Wow.
Hello, I am Serdar Kökçüoğlu, director of Mimaroğlu, The Robinson of Manhattan Island. I want to tell you three things. One, this is not an ordinary artist biography. Actually, I have a real problem with conventional bios. You can film only stories, not lives. Two, this film is not a conventional music documentary. I don't like technical, non-humanistic musical stories. And three, this is not his story, this is the story of them. And I hope you got inspired to do new things. Have a good screening.
Makinalaşmak istiyorum. I'm a composer. That's one suicide. I am a contemporary composer, so that's two. I'm a composer of electronic music, that's 3. And I compose political music, that's 4. And I'm still living. The question is, how?
Konserlere götürürdü beni. Konserde elimi tuttu. Hani şimşek olur ya, onun gibiydi. Sevgili vardır, ruh ikizi derler, bir şey vardır. Biz hepsi miydik, neydik bilmiyorum.
He was a mysterious God. Big, sad eyes that still were smiling. Nobody knew where this music belonged. It had no category.
Those records, they're stories, collages of different kinds of music. It's like, you know, this kind of hurricane of signals.
Genç hareketin içinde buldum kendimi. Solcudan da öte, hani başıma çok belalar gelebilecek bir durumdaydım. Amerika sınıflı toplumların bence en derinleşmiş olanıdır. Zenginseniz her şeye hakkınız var. Fakirseniz sıkıntı büyüktür.